Kgotla e mahlomafubedu ke le jwetse. Ntwa ena e kgolo feta tse bileng teng.
Ka tshwarana ka matsoho mokana wa nkutlwana ke re
monna eko hantle ho etsalang ka
Ke tla se mahle.
Kunyamalabalanda wa 5 nka sa deslele.
nna ke detective motho be
Jwale se le nkile qeto ya hore tla nkela hlooho.
sebenzana naye
ke sebetsa
Yo, let's watch some South African television and, talk about it. The first 2 episodes of Showmix's Outlaws dropped on Monday, and I'm going to be uploading this hopefully by Friday if I can finish editing. Speaking of editing, obviously these videos are going to be heavily edited because I don't want to get copyright striked, and we want to keep this channel going. Okay, black and white to kick it off. This has to be a dream sequence because it makes no sense. We're back in Lesotho. And we're still stealing cows. I want lava. The new 16. Oh. What is this? Hey. Tandolwethu Zondi. This brother is having one of the craziest runs right now. Okay.
nje inqubo ke yokuzalisa izoqhubeka njengokujwayelekile brother
Oh nah. You're gonna be the first one to fall in love. As a fool, oh. Yes, of course. Yeah. That was the first episode. The takeaways from this episode. There's a new kid in town, Mtunzi. Sihle is being married off. And Ukladi is still the same old Kladi. Okay.
Usisokha amanzi emfuleni.
Ngavele ngabathonga.
yazi ki wena kanjani manguke nje shimfethu yazi umuhle kashwange
Umthunzi akekho.
nyamalala kanjani
There we go.
anenza umsebenzi wenu man
What the fuck? Yes.
dad
kasebele ngede homo zamashome amahlanu
wawuli greedy wena wawuli greedy wena wawuli greedy wena wawuli greedy wena why only greedy
50. Yeah, amazing first 2 episodes. They kidnapped some of the Zulu people and asking for 50 cows in return for them. Glad is losing his mind. And Mtunzi and this other girl, they look like they're about to, have something going on.